Good morning, class 10th student. Today we will discuss about very first chapter of physics, electricity. Yesterday we learned about electricity. It is the presence or flow of charge. So we should know about the charge and what is the property of charge. Yesterday we studied charge is a property. It is an intrinsic property of matter, or we can say that it is the property or it is the fundamental property of matter. There are two types of charges. There are two types of charges. One is positive charge and other is negative charge. And other point of charge is it is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. And the next point is the unit of charge. The unit of charge is coulomb. It is denoted by capital C. Okay. Now, one more important point. The charge on one electron, the charge on one electron is 1.6 is equal to 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19 coulomb. Now we are trying to understand the basic properties of charge. Basic properties of charge. The first property is conservation of charge. Conservation of charge. It is defined as conservation, meaning that the charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. Charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only transfer from one body to another body. Okay. In other word, we can say that the total charge of an isolated system is constant. The total charge of an isolated system remains constant. Okay, the next property is quantization of charge. Quantization of charge, which is very important property of charge. What is the meaning of quantization? Quantization meaning it is anything which is available in a fixed amount. Quantization means anything which is available in fixed amount. And charge always exists. Charge always exists in integral multiple of fundamental charge. Fundamental charge. And the formula is Q is equal to plus minus Ne, where Q is charge on body, E is charge on electron, and small n is number of integer. Now next topic is electric current, or simply you can say that current. What is the meaning of current? The flow of electric charge from a body to another through a conductor is called electric current, or in other words we can say that the rate of flow of charge through a conductor is called current. Okay, now current is denoted by I is equal to charge upon time. Charge q, time is t, and the unit of current is ampere.